This video will explain how to find out which Indian consulate you should apply to based on where you live. First, find out which Indian consulate has jurisdiction over your United States state. Go to VFS Global's website and choose your state to see which consulate you should apply to. This is important because every consulate has slightly different instructions and addresses. There are 6 consulates general of India across the United States: Seattle, San Francisco, Houston, Chicago, Atlanta, and New York, with the main Indian embassy located in Washington, District of Columbia. Indians residing in California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Hawaii, and the territory of Guam should send their application package to the Consulate General in San Francisco. Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Alaska to the Consulate General in Seattle. Colorado, New Mexico, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana to the Consulate General in Houston. Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands to the Consulate General in Atlanta. Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri to the Consulate General in Chicago. Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine to the Consulate General in New York. Kentucky, North Carolina, West Virginia and Virginia, Washington, D.C., Maryland, Delaware, and Bermuda to the Embassy in Washington, D.C. That's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.